The basic definition of overconsumption is the act of consuming something in excess, so much so that life on Earth becomes unsustainable. This means the consumption of goods on such a large scale becomes wasteful and harmful to the environment. Resource use outpaces the capacity of the environment to sustain it. If this continues, it causes environmental degradation, resource depletion, and waste problems. The US, for example, uses double the resources it produces. This is highly unsustainable. Overconsumption is partly a result of planned obsolescence. This is a method of stimulating consumer demand by designing products that wear out or become outmoded after limited use. It is also caused by the nature of our consumer economy. Our economy in the US is built on consumption. It encourages buying the newest, latest thing to stimulate the economy. This causes problems because we are buying things that we don't actually need at a high rate to the point that we are depleting the Earth's resources. Some effects of overconsumption are ecological overshoot, resource depletion, and an overall reduction of the planet's carrying capacity. However, overconsumption does lead to economic growth. Immediately, this is beneficial. However, in the long term, this leads to pollution and the problems described earlier. So how can we stop overconsumption? It's important to remember the 4 R's. The first is reduce. Reduce the amount of resources you use. Reuse. Resources that can be used over and over again should be. Don't throw anything out that you can reuse. Recycle. This allows resources to be re-entered into the economy and reused to save resources. Refuse. Refuse to buy things you don't need. Using these methods, overconsumption could be eliminated.